in the Conquest Carbon headquarters today, and we're fitting carbon frame covers onto my HP4. Okay, so first we need to degrease with some alcohol or brake cleaner, or this is...
So that helps remove any polish, any oil.
Smells boozy.
Yeah. Perfect.
Now we're marking where we're gonna put the cable ties around, and we're using the masking tape underneath. Well, we're using a masking tape on the carbon part so the cable tie doesn't rub it or damage it.
Okay, so I'm just going to get a knife and then just trim those edges.
Okay. So what kind of silicone is this?
So this is a universal heat-resistant silicone, which is available from our website. We can only ship it within the UK due to liquid laws.
No way.
Yeah.
How annoying.
Yeah. But you can get it from most hardware stores anyway.
Do you use quite a lot of it?
Quite a bit, but not too much.
So it doesn't, yeah.
Because you do want to, maybe in the future, remove.
Oh, it's black.
Yeah.
I was expecting it to be clear.
Using a wet microfiber cloth, you can then wipe away any excess.
Mm. Would the cable tie a bit higher here help?
Yeah, if I cable tie it around there.
I'm finding this very satisfying to watch because you really anal. Thank you so much for this, by the way. I really do appreciate it.
No problem.
The cable ties have to stay on for 24 hours, and that...
Yeah, I'll leave it for a minimum of 24 hours.
Okay.
If we leave that to dry for, a couple of hours,
Yeah.
that should be fine, but to hold it here is more important.
Okay. So normally you would fit these, put the cable ties on and leave it for 24 hours, and not ride the bike, not move it, just let it set really well. Okay.
Ooh. I'll beat you in the face.
I'm tempted to hold this. Oh, yeah, that's stuck on nicely now. Yeah?
Just needs a little bit of
encouragement.
Yeah.
I'm so excited for these.
Good. They look so much better.
They look so good.
The problem with carbon is when you start, you can't stop.
I'm going straight to your office, and I need a quote on belly pan and those panels.
You can turn it into the new, or look like the new HP Carbon.
I think HP4 Carbon was, this is where I should stop. Don't have quite the budget for the race one. How much is a carbon tank for HP4?
£2 grand.
Jeez.
It's about 70% lighter.
That is a lot. We'll see where I end up. Baby steps. It's like a bear, so big. Hey! Oh, so that's the belly pan. How stunning is this?
Feel the weight.
Oh, that's
That's the difference with Fullsix.
I've just had the short belly pan in my hand this morning from my old S1000, and one panel is heavier than this. Where this is full length. This is stunning. Oh, I definitely need one of those. Let me help you. So we have Chinese carbon fiber fender for RSV4.
Yeah.
350. And this one is 250. Minus the wrapping, which probably doesn't weigh much.
Yeah. But then you can feel that difference.
You can feel the difference when you hold it. Yes, it's substantial. Wow. So this is Chinese, and the other one was from Fullsix.
Yeah.
Wow.
Made in Slovenia.
Hey, doggy. Hey, you.